In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, North Carolina's tech industry faces significant challenges. The town of Spruce Pine, home to the world's purest quartz mines, is crucial to global semiconductor manufacturing. These mines, managed by Sibelco and the Quartz Corp, have been shut down due to the storm's impact, which included widespread flooding, landslides, and infrastructure damage. Without high-purity quartz, chip manufacturers may soon experience shortages, potentially causing disruptions across industries like automotive, electronics, and solar power. Reopening these mines will require not only repairing the facilities, but also restoring local infrastructure, such as roads and power lines, which have been severely damaged. While some semiconductor manufacturers might have a temporary supply of quartz, a prolonged shutdown could lead to increased chip prices and production delays. The U.S. government and tech industry are expected to prioritize restoring operations in Spruce Pine, as the region's quartz supply is considered strategically essential. Despite the devastation, experts are optimistic that efforts will be swift to minimize the global ripple effect.